Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. Are you excited to receive your latest purchase from Temu but you are wondering where your package is? Well, today I am going to show you step by step process how you can track your order on a Temu application. For that, first of all, open your Temu application on mobile device and make sure that you are logged in that. Now you can see that your new icon is there at bottom. Tap on that. Now you can see your different options are there, so inside that you can see here your orders. Tap on that. So now you can see your processing. Tap on that processing. Here you can see your that related to location of that your order, where it is and all. So if you are facing any problem related to your order, for that you can see at the top one headset icon is there. Tap on that. Now inside that you can see here contact us. Tap on that. So describe your problem, what you are facing related to your order, and send to them and they will fix that problem. So in this way you can track your order on a Temu. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.